Hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to show you here how to start to remove comments on Figma. That's really very important to deal with what you're gonna see. It's about really depending on how this can really work, and actually that doesn't matter, but it's actually everything that is really depending on that. So the progress that is really already about what we gain about to do that, but it's actually through everything about to start to remove comments. When you start to add this comment, for example, I will start to add this now. Once you press on enter, you will actually see this comment in front of you. And then what you're gonna do after you see this comment is really actually being removed, you can can click on that and then start with the X over here, sorry, with that three dots, delete thread, and then start to delete it. And that's actually going on with certain moment about that.